G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to be doing a little project. I am going to be making one of these tables here because I've got this really weird sort of room here and well, it's not really that incredibly useful for much. It's actually like 2 meters square and that's it. So I was thinking I might chuck my lathes and mill and stuff there, but I need something to put them on. So hang around and join me as we chuck a table together out of these things. Oh, geez, that's some heavy shit.
G'day, my name's Jim. A few weeks ago, a wall of water washed away my town, drowning 22 people in their own homes and cars. People woke up in the middle of the night with water around their beds, 20 minutes later the top of their door frames. The water was so deep it went over the roof of my house, wiping out everything we own. On top of that, the insurance company told us to get stuffed. This is the story of me and my missus trying to rebuild our life from scratch.
Right, so first thing we've got to do is cut this thing off at 1690. So that's up here a bit further. Right here. That's the one. What do you reckon? Huh? Is that where we put it? So then we're just going to chop her off with the U-Brute table saw. That's where we can actually get past the puppy dogs here. Okay, show us how it's done, Nico. Try and keep your fingers where they belong. On the end of your fucking stumps.
I thought that was part of the fun.
So we always cut it on the outside of the line. Just blow that for them and show them. We don't usually use lasers or anything like that, laser guiders. We just use our shit like that. Chances are we might have to take a bum fart off that, but yep, it's better than being wrong. So that's the way we do it. We've got this set up so it should blow all the shit straight out the window instead of on my floor. So go for it. It's snowing. Oh, fuck me. It's snowing treated pine.
Did it snow more on the dog outside?
Oh, probably. So this is how lazy my dog is. She's literally laying there with the sawdust. Hop out of the way, sweetie. With the sawdust blowing all over her. You'd think she was fucking dead. Ridiculous. Such a lazy dog. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do up some legs. We need 2 lots of these. So cut it right in the middle of that one though, please, this time. Always make sure your shit's hard against the fence, which is the back part up there. Righto, let her rip. Beautiful. That should be identical with a bit of luck. Okay, so there we have it, all done. Look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. Very industrial looking, which is good for this room that is going to be filled with mills and bloody those things there, lathe. It's getting late in the afternoon, give me a break. So yeah, there we go. Beautiful, fantastic. All right, well, everyone be good, stay safe. Oh, hang on, before I go, don't switch off just yet. I want to say g'day to my Auntie Jenny. Hello, Auntie Jenny. Yes, I'm a nut job, don't worry about it. And I want to say hello to Kay, and I want to say g'day and thank you to Blake and Nick for helping out and just, just being there in general. So this is not the Academy Awards. I'm not going to thank me mum and stuff. Okay, thank you, mum. There we go. All right, till next time. Be good, stay safe, and we'll catch you later.